Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix 7 days to die any kind of lagging, shutting or the FPS drop problem. Guys, first you just need to make sure that you have the minimum or the recommended requirement to run this game. And guys, if you have these requirements and if your game is still crashing, then this is the problem. So let's see how we can fix it. Guys, first you just need to close it and just right click on your taskbar and just open up the task manager. You can also go to the window search and type in the task manager and it will appear on the top, so you just need to open it. And guys, here you just need to close all the background application, because when these applications are running, these application will consume a lot of CPU or the RAM usage, and when your RAM or CPU is more consuming, your game will crash obviously. So once you close it, then go to the startup apps on the top, and guys, here you just need to disable all of these applications, because when you start your PC, these applications start automatically without your permission, cause a lot of CPU or the RAM usage. So you just need to make a right click on this and just disable this application. After that, guys, then you just need to make sure that you not disable this important application. Then go to the window search and type here the game mode setting, and guys, this setting will appear on the top, so just open it. And guys, here you just need to make sure that the game mode setting is on. If this is off, then just turn it on. So when this is on, this will prevent any kind of the processor that are useless running on your PC when you are on the game. Now guys, we are going to set our game to a high performance to prevent any kind of lag. To do this, go to the Windows setup with the graphic settings and just open it. Guys, here you will see your game, which is the 7 days to die. Just click on that, click on the option and just select it to the high performance. Then just click on the save to add the game. Just click on the browse option you are seeing here, and just here you just need to locate the folder where your game is installed. So just go to the Steam folder and just go to the Commons folder, open up the game folder, then just select your game launcher, then just click on the add, and once you add it, then just click on the options, then just select it to the high performance, then just close it from here. Now guys, we're going to set the high performance power plan for our PC that will prevent any kind of lag or the shuttering problems. To do this, go to the Windows setup at the control panel and just open it. Now here you will see the view bar on the top, so just select it and select it to the large icons. Then guys, just click on the power option here you are seeing, and on the left hand side you will find the create a power plan option. Just click on that and just click on the high performance power plan, then just click on the next, then just create the high performance power plan for your PC. Guys, this is very important. So once you create the high performance power plan for your PC, now guys, we are going to set the maximum number of processors for your PC. So whenever your game need more CPU to run, your maximum number of processor will be used. So go to the Windows setup with the system configurations and just open it. Then go to the boot, then just click on the advanced option, then just select this and select your maximum number of processor you have. If you will see the 4, 8 or the 16 or the 32, any value, then just select here the maximum, then just apply that, then just click on the OK, then you must need to restart your PC to apply these changes. Guys, once you restart your PC, then you just need to open up the Steam and just launch your game and see your problem is fixed or not. And if your problem is still not fixed, then you lower your FPS in your game and also lower your resolution in your game. Then just see your problem is fixed or not. And I hope guys one of these solutions work for you. And if yes, please don't forget to like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.